Welcome back to the channel, guys. What's going on? So today's video is actually going to be part of a two-part series where today we'll be removing the interior and giving it a very deep clean with a steam cleaner and an extractor. And then in the next video, I actually have an entire new leather interior for the truck that we're going to be installing. So make sure you stay tuned to watch that as well. But let's start cleaning this sucker up. First thing that we're going to be doing is getting these seats out. Now that we have the interior completely removed, before we vacuum, we're just gonna remove all these loose items and throw them away. So let's gather all that crap up. All right, we just finished picking up all the loose crap off the floor. Man, that was disgusting. There were cigarette butts that had fallen between the seats, that had disintegrated. There was moldy food. But now that we got all that picked up, we can start to vacuum it. All right, so we just finished vacuuming out the interior. It looks super good already, and the stench is already starting to go away. Now, the next step is going to be cleaning all the plastics on the interior. They almost have like a layer of ash on them from all the cigarette smoke in the car. And the tool that we're going to be using is the steam cleaner here, which should do a really good job at cleaning all the layers of ash off all the plastics. All right, guys, so we just finished cleaning the truck, and this thing was absolutely filthy. There were cigarette butts between the seats, cigarette ash everywhere. There was also a layer of it just on the door panels, but we've cleaned everything up, and it actually, I would say, looks brand new in here, and there's no more odor, and it smells very good. So in the next video, what we're going to be doing is, as you can tell, the seats are still out of here, so we're going to be pulling the old leather off the seats since there are burn marks in it. They were also cut up. And we have brand new leather covers that we're going to be putting back onto the seats and reinstalling those. We're also going to be doing the same process to the center console. And then we have a new used bench seat for the rear that's in very good condition that we're also going to be installing, so that the interior is going to pretty much look brand new from the seats to the smell to how it looks. So make sure you stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more.